From lifelike robotic dogs to futuristic fish that swim like the real thing, technology has taken inspiration straight from nature. In this video, we're exploring the most amazing robotic animals you must see. Machines designed for entertainment, exploration, rescue, and even military use. Whether it's robotic insects buzzing with precision, underwater creatures built for scientific research, or advanced quadrupeds pushing the limits of AI, these creations show how robotics and nature are merging like never before. Before we dive in, take a moment to subscribe to the channel so you'll know first when we post new content. CORLEO. Just when you thought the motorcycle industry couldn't get any weirder, Kawasaki has unveiled what could be the most amazing concept vehicle we've ever seen. A hydrogen-powered robotic horse called CORLEO. This four-legged mobility concept takes the idea of horsepower quite literally, replacing wheels with articulating legs and hooves designed to conquer terrain no traditional motorcycle could handle. Kawasaki's revolutionary off-road personal mobility vehicle offers excellent all-terrain capability, powered by 4 robotic legs, together with the handling and stability of Kawasaki's motorcycles. While preserving the joy of riding, the vehicle continually monitors the rider's movements to achieve a reassuring sense of unity between human and machine. Scale mountains, breathe in the fresh air, and enjoy panoramic views. BionicBee. Developed by Festo's Bionic Learning Network, the BionicBee is a biomimetic quad-winged robot that can fly autonomously in swarms, emulating natural bee behavior. It represents the smallest flying object in the network to date. Swarm behavior is guided by a central computer calculating safe, collision-free flight paths in real time, even accounting for aerodynamic effects. Each bee includes an automatic calibration routine to compensate for slight hardware differences post-test flight, allowing uniform behavior across the swarm. Festo's BionicBee showcases how advanced robotics can emulate complex natural behaviors through compact design, intelligent control systems, and swarm autonomy. Edge Innovations' Dolphin Spirit. This $3 million hyper-realistic robotic dolphin may one day free captive dolphins all over the world through a combination of mechanical innovation and high-tech puppetry. Edge Innovations' robotic dolphin, Dell, weighs over 500 pounds and measures 8.5 feet long, about the same size as a real bottlenose dolphin. But what makes Dell so incredible is her medical-grade silicone skin and smooth mechanical movements, which make her appear so real that it's almost impossible to distinguish her from a real dolphin on looks alone. Edge Innovations explains that Dell the Robo-Dolphin comes to life through a mix of puppeteering, programming, and artificial intelligence. There is hope at Edge Innovations that animatronic dolphins can one day replace the wild animals kept in captivity for marine park attractions. EvoLogics Quadroin. The Quadroin AUV is engineered by EvoLogics. Its streamlined, spindle-shaped body draws direct inspiration from the hydrodynamics of Adelie penguins, a design informed by years of research into their efficient underwater locomotion. Capable of reaching speeds up to 10 knots, thanks to its low-drag, bionic form. Propelled by 4 rear-mounted horizontal thrusters in an X configuration, ensuring agility and tight control. Equipped with onboard AI for real-time object recognition from sonar and video feeds, aiding mission awareness and autonomy. The Quadroin AUV is a state-of-the-art, biomimetic underwater vehicle, marrying nature-inspired hydrodynamics with advanced autonomy and sensing. Designed for swarms, it excels in efficient, prolonged data collection and marine environmental monitoring. Slothbot. High above the canopy walk at the Atlanta Botanical Gardens, a slow-moving robot is perched in the treetops to monitor plants, animals, and the environment below, all as a test for a new high-tech tool for saving some of the world's most endangered species. Visitors are able to observe the Slothbot, an energy-efficient robot that lingers in the trees of Storza Woods. Built by robotics engineers at the Georgia Institute of Technology to take advantage of the low-energy lifestyle of real sloths, Slothbot demonstrates how being slow can be ideal for certain applications. Powered by solar panels and using innovative power management technology, the robot moves along a cable strung between 2 large trees as it monitors temperature, weather, carbon dioxide levels, and other information. X-Fly is the first ornithopter drone with piloting assistance. This aircraft is designed to bridge the gap between advanced drone technology and the art of natural flight. It represents the culmination of decades of research into bio-inspired flight systems. This ornithopter mimics natural bird flight through powered wing flapping rather than traditional propellers. Wings flap using a patented symmetrical mechanism and integrated micro-speed reducer, resulting in smooth, controllable gliding and maneuvering. It brings together elegant biomimicry and modern drone tech to deliver a unique flying experience. It's ultralight, elegant, and designed for both outdoor glides and indoor aerobatics, with advanced flight assistance and modular controls. SPD-1 is a prototype multi-legged, spider-like robot designed specifically for inspecting sewer pipes. It's smaller than a soccer ball and weighs 7 pounds. Created to address manpower shortages and aging sewer infrastructure, this robot helps inspect pipes in tight, narrow environments where human access is dangerous or impossible. Operated remotely via a game controller-style interface, with the operator viewing real-time video, SPD-1 can work solo or in a team of 3. One robot leads the group, another scans for defects, and the third handles repairs. The Miami Bull, a striking symbol unveiled at Miami's Bitcoin conference. A robotic bull statue with futuristic flair, meant to showcase the city's ambition as a crypto finance powerhouse. This 11-foot-tall, 3,000-pound robotic bull statue, complete with laser eyes, was revealed as a bold statement. It nods to the iconic Wall Street charging bull, but upgrades it with a futuristic, crypto-inspired design. The bull's head can tilt and turn, mimicking the aggressive stance of a charging bull. Its glowing LED eyes can shift in intensity and color, making it look alive. Combined with head movement, it creates the illusion of the bull looking at people. While the frame is massive and mostly fixed, the designers added slight body movements to give the sense of a breathing, living creature rather than a still sculpture. Through AR apps, the bull can appear to charge, stomp, and even glow with digital fire or effects, animations that go beyond what the physical sculpture can do. Meet Charlie, the space robot monkey that moves like an ape and can stand on 2 legs like a human, built by the German Center for Artificial Intelligence in Bremen. Currently, the robot can walk on 4 legs, and it can get up to get into a 2-legged position. Its locomotion is possible because of 2 specially developed features: a flexible spine and sensor-equipped feet. With the spine, it can move in 6 directions the way we humans are able to do. Charlie's developers hope someday a robot like this could be put to work exploring other planets. Closer to home, experts say, a robot that could walk upright and maneuver around obstacles in its path could assist the elderly or disabled as a home health assistant. Xiaomi CyberDog 2. Xiaomi released its new bionic quadruped robot CyberDog 2. Its 12 joints are driven by Xiaomi's self-developed micromotor, which can easily complete various high-speed movements such as dancing, bowing, and even backflips. At the same time, it has a very powerful brain and extremely sensitive eyes, with 19 sets of multidimensional sensors that can accurately recognize from mapping to navigation, obstacle avoidance, humanoid recognition, human tracking, and can see the world in your eyes and make more realistic reactions. It can accept various custom instructions training, such as shaking hands, high fives, and more, perfectly reproducing the fun of dog training. And that wraps up our look at some of the most incredible robotic animals pushing the boundaries of technology and imagination. From lifelike dolphins to futuristic robotic dogs, it's clear that the line between nature and machines is becoming thinner every day. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss our future dives into the world of innovation. Which robotic animal amazed you the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear your picks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video, where we explore even more tech that's shaping the future.